Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those sins against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Teacher Leslie.
Good morning, Teacher Leslie and teachers.
Good morning. You may now take your seats, arrange your chairs, and think of some pieces of paper. Okay, are we all settled?
Yeah.
Vida, may I know who are the absent today? There are two absent and Luis. Okay, so last week we tackled about traditional ethics, right? Can you give some examples of two examples of traditional ethics? Yes, that is Biak Bilamak and Budhudi Alikuyon and Darangin. Now, I want you all to obey our classroom rules. So we have here the word rules. So
Raise your hand to participate. Use kind words and actions. Listen attentively. Engage in learning activities. Silence.
Okay, so now let's have an activity first. So this activity is what we call compound word game. Are you familiar with compound word game? No. So you have to guess the picture shown in the TV. Okay, so you have to guess the compound word. Are you ready?
Yes.
The first picture. Yes, Ellie? Yes, that is emergency. Let's give Ellie a round of applause. Next picture. Yes, Roslyn? Rescue? Yes, that is rescue. Yes, Kathleen? Breathing. Yes, that is breathing. And lastly? Yes? First aid. First aid. Very good. So before we start, let's read our objectives first. So at the end of the lesson, you will be able to A. All girls, please read.
Identify the components of the ABCs of first aid. Airway, breathing, circulation.
And B. All boys, please read.
Participate in role-play scenarios involving first aid.
And all together, C.
Value the importance of teamwork and communication in emergency response.
Now, let's talk about the ABCs of first aid. So what are the ABCs of first aid? Yes, Kathleen?
The ABCs of first aid are airway, breathing, and circulation.
Very good. So ABC is airway, breathing, and circulation. May I ask if you know how to do a pulse rate? How to get your pulse rate? No. So to get your pulse rate, first you have to place your index and middle finger. So where's your index and middle finger? So you have to put it on the wrist. And then press gently with your fingers until you feel the pulse. Did you feel your pulse? And then count the number of beats for 15 seconds. Okay, so let's count. I have here a timer. And then after na mag-count is you have to multiply the number of beats by 4. So ano 4 man? So 15 times 4, that is 60. So that is equivalent to 1 minute per beat. means like, nanawon mo tayo nakaalis sa Yes, that's good. So, kung nai nakaalis sa iyang diri sa iyong pagingan, dapat, noon na ito na ay dapat nato siya i-left ang iyang chin and then i-tilt ang iyang head para makagawa sa iyang airway. Next is breathing. Everyone please breathe.
If clearing the airway doesn't restore breathing, rescue breathing should be administered.
So what does it mean? If the airway doesn't restore breathing, rescue breathing should be administered. So mag-isot lagi mo Yes? Lawrence? Sa ba yung buhanan mo? Mag-isot lagi mo Yes, you are calling 911. That's good. How about Ellie? Yes, very good. So you have to do the CPR. And then, that's how nakuha na nato ang circulation. So what is circulation?
While giving rescue breathing, maintaining blood flow is critical through chest. Compression if the person remains unresponsive. Checking their pulse is necessary if no pulse is found. Compression should be initiated.
So may meaning. CPR. That is CPR. So, giving rescue breaths, maintaining blood flow is critical through the chest, upper chest. So, compression. So, if the person remains unresponsive, i-check nato ang ilang pulso. Like sa atong gibuhat, hindi na. So, it is necessary. If wala yung pulso ang inyong nakuhaan, nakita or na-feel, dapat na nato sa i-CPR. Okay, so now let's have an activity. Another activity. So this activity is what we call let's watch a video na lang muna. Let's watch a video on how to do the ABCs of first aid.
Kapag kayo ay baitado sa isang aksidente, kayo ay tatawag sa isang emergency medical services gaya ng 911 UNPD. Maraming mahalagang impormasyon ang itatanong sa inyo ng emergency dispatcher. Malaki ang maitutulong niyo sa biktima kung malalaman niyo ang level of consciousness niya at kung nag-check kayo ng EEC. Gaya ng natutunan natin, to check the level of consciousness, gamitin ang ABQ. A. Alert. Alerto ba ang biktima? B. Verbal stimuli. Nagre-react ba sa boses mo ang biktima? C. Painful stimuli. Nagre-response ba ang biktima sa pain? Halimbawa kapag tinurot. O unresponsive. Wala bang malay o response ang biktima? Kapag dineklarang unresponsive ang pasyente, sunod na mahalagang magawa ay i-check ang CAB, circulation, airway, and breathing. C for circulation. Tingnan kung may pulso ang biktima. Alamitin kung may sign of severe breathing. A for airway. Siguraduhin walang nakaharang sa daanan ng hangin ng biktima, gaya ng dugo o foreign objects. B for breathing. Tingnan kung umaangat at bumababa ang bibig ng biktima. So tandaan po, gawin ang ABQ scale. Alert, verbal, pain, and unresponsive. At pagkatapos naman kung unresponsive ang patient ay ang CAB checking, circulation, airway, and breathing. Malaki ang maitutulong nyo sa mga parating na medical responder kung kayo bilang bystander ay alam at nagawa ang mga bagay na ito upang matulungan ang isang biktima ng aksidente.
is in danger. And emergency
Is a critical situation that demands prompt action to prevent harm, injury, or damage.
So, if ang isa ka person is critical na yung condition, that means na you have to quickly rescue a victim. Okay? So, I have a question sa video kanina. So, what is the video all about? Yes, Kathleen?
Understanding the definition of AIDS.
Yes, very good. So the video is all about understanding the definition of ABC and how to do the ABCs of first aid. Second, what are the ABCs of first aid? Again, what are the ABCs of first aid, Angel?
Airway, breathing, and circulation.
Very good. That is airway, breathing, and circulation. And lastly, what did you learn from watching the video? Sa inyong natunan, ito pag-tanaw ninyo sa video. Yes, Kathleen?
From the video, I learned how to use the output scale, which is alert, normal, response, and unconscious. If the person that is unconscious, we should use the ABC, which is airway, breathing, and circulation.
Very good, Kathleen. So let's give Kathleen what a nice clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, what a nice. Again.
1, 2, 3, what a nice.
Very good, Kathleen. Now let's practice how to do the first aid or the ABC. So I have here happy. So this is happy. So to do the ABCs of first aid, first you have to check the airway. So saan po pag-check sa airway, you have to lift the chin and then tilt the head. Nga na siya. So muna yung chin and then yung head. So yan na. Para ma-gawa sa iyang airway. Next is to check the breathing. So saan yung pag-check sa breathing? Yes, very good. So first thing is imutulo lang yung aking tiyan sa iyong now, and then tanawin mo ang iyong tiyan mo na breathe na siya or nag-iyan na siya. And then lastly is the circulation. So ang sa circulation, kung hindi magkuha ng iyang wala sa nag-response, you have to do the CPR. CPR. So ano ka mo? So kung mag-don't know CPR, hindi mo first sa 1, 2, 3. So, ang unang hindi nyo is 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay, nasabtan? Okay. So, what does A stand for the ABC of first aid? Can you explain what we check for? Yes? We check for the? Very good. How about what does B stand for? And what are the signs of normal breathing versus abnormal breathing? Para sa inyo, saan ang signs sa normal breathing o abnormal breathing? So, if nakita ninyo ang pasyente, yung mag-check ang iyong breathing. So, kung na yung mga balik 12 to 20 ka-breathe niya within 1 minute, that means normal ang iyang breathing. But if ang iyong breathing is fast or slow, that means kung ang music, nag-stop na ang music, isa kung nakatunon sa balon, ka ang mag-answer. Yes, Jennifer. Back to balon, Jennifer. Okay, basta ang question. Gusto ba? How important you have a first aid? So, nag-important thing na madala-dala yung on first aid sa imo. Okay? Na ay mga emergency sector, students, whatever yes, very good, Jennifer. So, importante doon nga na tayo first aid kit in case nga na ay emergency. Again, let's now tayo another balloon. Sa likod sa
If you could only assess one of the ABCs in a given situation, which would you choose? Justify your answer considering the potential risks, returns, and benefits of each choice.
So, kung mapilion ka sa ABC, so man yung mapilion na lang nga mas pinili mo, mas mo na siya ang makatabang. Breathing. Nanong breathing man? Yes, breathing, no? Kay, di naman ka breathing, ha? So, mas importante sa imo ang breathing. Okay. Very good, Japon. Great. Now, I'll be grouping you into 3 groups. So, we have here the acting out first aid scenario. So, natay, tulungan scenario. So, inyo siyang acting. So, I'm giving you 10 minutes to practice. So, first scenario, ay, kita, okay, group 1, okay, kamani, rinalo. Group 2, very aside, okay, okay, and then group 3 right here. Okay? So, group 1, inyong scenario is a person collapses suddenly due to a heart attack. So, sa inyong buhaton, kung kini nga scenario is nakitabo sa inyo, hindi siya inyong i-act, okay? Group 2, so someone sustains a deep cut while working in the kitchen. Sa inyong buhaton. And group 3,
Ilanglo na approach kay ang
Thank you.
Pagkuhan na sa tanawin mo yung waiting din. Inulit mo yung ulit na yung pang-waiting din. Tanawin mo yung state mo nag-bilog pa. Then pagkuhan mo na na. Then as a circulation din, kaya tanawin mo yung port sa pagkuhan ba. Hindi o.
Very good, Martin. Another hand. So first, i-angat ng kanyang head, then i-down ng kanyang upper head, and then, for the aim, na siya sa airway, and i-check din ang yung breathing. First, itanaw ng aim, una sa itong head sa iyang nawo, then i-check na ito, na-apply, mag-breathe na siya, iyang chest niya po, narumpa. Tapos, sa circulation pod, i-check na ito yung pulse rate, and then for rating, we take na kanang wala yung beat na pulse. Ato na siya beat. Yes, very good. Okay, so before we start, I will be reading your role play. So presentation, you have 5 points, and preparation, 5 points, role play execution, 5 points, and understanding of health issues, 5 points, a total of 20 points. So group 1, are you ready? Ready now, group 1, okay? Group 1, this is
So, good morning everyone. So, let's start our meeting. This is guys, yun sa inyong anak ba this is yan, wala na siya kabalik sa room. Ang lang nakabalik kung asa na siya. Ipangita ka sa akong mga guard, kung asa yung anak, balik ko kung makaali ka, pwede makaali mo nga doon, hindi na kayo yung anak, mawala. Gusto yung may mawala ka anak. Diba ito, at sa iba na siya, tapos ikaw kaliwan. Remisis, pero, assistance mo din sila, misis. Wala na ako nabantayan. Hello? Hello, misis? Hello? Hello? Misis? Hello? Misis? Misis? Hello?
Okay, very good. Group 1, let's leave group 1. One, two, three, Okay, lights, camera, action.
Today, everyone, in this hallway, we will demonstrate how to provide first aid for a big bang in the future. Accidents like this happen anytime, so knowing the right step, staying calm, stopping the bleeding, cleaning the wound, and bandaging it can make a big difference. That's it. Okay? Oh, Ella, what happened? Raise your hand above your heart. Let me put some validation to prevent infection. Thank you so much. You guys are very helpful.
Okay, very good, people.
Can anyone recall what is trigonometric ratios? Let me call a student. Priya, can you please stand and come here in front? What is trigonometric ratio?
Okay, very good, group lead. So let's see, group lead, a very good class. Drama.